Hey guys, there are multiple AI tools available for coding. Most of them are paid. Some tools are free, but they have some limitations. But the AI tool we will be using in this video is totally free. So for that, all you need to search for Codeium, and then you need to click on this results which having link of https codeium.com. You can also click on a pricing to check what you get in free forever. So these all things you get in free forever. So I'll click on this Codeium, and to use this Codeium AI you need to install a extension. So for that you need to click on get extension, and depending on which IDE you are using, you need to select that IDE. I'll be using Visual Studio Code, so I will click on Visual Studio Code. Now it is asking us for the quick install, so I'll click on it. Then it will ask to open this Visual Studio Code URL handler, so I'll click on this URL handler. This will open our Visual Studio Code IDE automatically, and it will automatically get you landed on that extension. All you have to wait. So currently it get me on that extension, so all I need to click on install. It will take some time. Okay, so this extension got installed right now. Okay, now this is the icon we'll get once we install this extension. So I'll click on Codeium, and to connect with the Codeium you need to click on this icon over here, and you need to click on sign in with the Codeium auth to use Codeium. So it will ask you to open the link, so you need to click on open. This will take us to the Codeium profile, where if you have an email and password of this Codeium, then you can enter it. Otherwise you can always log in with to Google credentials. So I'll click on login with Google. It will get me to the prompt. Then I need to choose my Google account. It will ask me to enter my password. Then once you logged in, it will ask to open this URL using Visual Studio Code. Once you click on it, it will again want to take you in VS Code, and it is asked for the permission. All you have to click on open. Then it will take some time, and here you are. You'll get this welcome prompt. If you're not getting it, you have to click on this once again and you'll get it automatically. So here you can ask for any questions, you will get some hints. Okay, to use it inside your project, all you have to go inside your project. I have one example project of AI project. Okay, so once you open your project, you need to click on this Codeium, so to get it connect. And yes, it is connected now. So now if you go inside the project and open any file and ask for some help, for example, you can either start from hash, like import express plugin. It will read my prompt. If we start to write it like const, and as you can see we are automatically getting auto completion over there. All you need to click on tab and you are getting such a code over there. Okay, so there are multiple uses of this Codeium. You can go inside the prompt, you will get all these things. You get lot of things over here, and it is totally free. So just install this AI tool and happy coding.